Isa sa mga recommended ko dito sa JG Superstore ng mga tripod at monopods, itong Ulanzi MT79. Actually, light stand to, pero pwede nyo rin gamitin para sa smartphones or cameras ninyo. At ang maganda dito, napaka-taas ng inaabot niya kapag fully extended, hanggang 2 meters. So, check natin yan. Ang maganda sa kanya, kapag hindi pa siya extended, sobrang portable. Kasi na to sa mga backpack ninyo. Pero, ang ganda dito, kapag hindi ng magnification. Kapag fully extended siya, hindi nyo lang sa 2 meters siya. Sobrang taas.
Tingnan natin.
Diba? And kapag walang mag-video sa inyo, pwede nyo siyang gamitin na sa tripod ninyo. Pwede na kayong mag-vlog on the go na wala kayong kasama. And guys, magugulat kayo sa presyo nito. It's only 737 pesos. At I think sa presyo yan, highly recommended ko to. Actually, yung body niya, check it out. Aluminum to guys. So napaka-solid. Talagang tatagal. Again, this is Ulanzi MT79. 2 meters kapag extended. And para naman sa lighting equipment, affordable, portable, at reliable, ito yung recommended ko. The Ulanzi VL49 RGB. And alam nyo kung bakit guys, ganito lang siya kaliit, pero pwede nyo na siyang gamitin for key light. Ayan. You can even set it na parang daylight talaga yung color niya. Ayan. And it can also change colors. Perfect for backlighting. Yeah. So, as you can see, it goes from green to blue to violet, purple, red, orange, and yellow. Yeah. Ito yung different modes niya. Fireworks, TV, party, HSI slow, fast, strobe, red flash, green flash, blue flash, or cop car. May ambulance din, no? So, marami kayong mga lighting effects na mamimimic using this. May fire engine pa. And emergency. And balik sa fireworks. And the best part yung presyo nito, guys, it's only 935 pesos. Kayang-kaya. Guys, perfect na perfect to both for your photography shoots as well as for making video content. Alright, so to wrap up, if you're a photographer, videographer, or a video content creator, I want to invite you to be part of the JG Superstore Creator Club para makasali kayo sa mga activities, workshops, and events. So scan nyo lang to guys to join. Okay? Okay, so again, this is Mark of Tech Pinas. Bye for now, and I'll see you again soon.